back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me. So we're focusing on this makeup and this gorgeous hair, girl. But first, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time that I upload. So real quick, before we jump into it, I want to give a quick thanks to my friends over at Unice for sending me over this gorgeous pre-plucked and pre-highlighted unit. Let's jump into it. So while doing my hair, I OD'd on coffee, you guys, and I can't even lie, like I feel so damn jittery right now, and I hate when I feel like that. Like I just feel like so shaky, jittery, like I just feel so jittery. I feel anxious. I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So for my primer, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. poreless primer. This is just the original, and I'm going to use this to prime the areas of my face that get oily. I'm going to try to make this makeup portion super calm and super relaxing because I am so damn jittery right now, and I feel like I just need to take a deep breath, and I need to be calm, and I need to calm down. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to foundation. So for my foundation, I'm just using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 525. Is this Deep Amber? I can't remember. 525 sis, okay? In one of my previous videos, I was like, I'm gonna start filming in my robe, and somebody got me in the comments like she is an OG. So shout out to you, sis, because she always comments on every single video of mine, whether it's a vlog or a beauty video. She always comments, and she told me, sis, you said you was gonna wear your robe, so where is that? So she reminded me to wear my robe, so I have my robe in this video. This foundation, it looks a lot darker than my skin tone right now. I feel like I'm starting to get my color back. I'm losing my summer tan, but I just love this golden. Oh, it's so beautiful on the skin. And today I'm doing daytime makeup, so even though my face makeup is a little bit lighter, darker, I can go in with a little bit of a lighter concealer because it is daytime makeup. Oh my gosh, my skin is giving winter and my face is giving summer, middle of summer, okay? Oh my gosh, girl, I hope it doesn't look this bad on camera as it looks in this viewfinder, y'all, because I'm like, oh my god, this is dark. It's dark as hell. We're gonna lighten her up. So for my concealer, I'm just gonna be using this Fenty Beauty concealer. I haven't used this one in a minute, and this one's in the shade 370. So it is a lot lighter and it has more of a yellow undertone, because this foundation kind of has like a red undertone. Normally I don't even apply this much concealer in all these areas, but I feel like I need it. Then I'm just going in with this Dermablend powder just to go ahead and set all of the areas that I highlighted. So now I'm just going in to powder the rest of my face. I'm just using this Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. And I'm using this one because, like I said, I feel like the makeup it's just a little bit dark. I'm only using a little bit of this though. So to bronze up my face, I'm just going in with this Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade, well, this is not the Glamour Bronze packaging. I think this is the new packaging that they have, but this is in the shade, oh yeah, it is the Glamour Bronze. It's in the shade Leader. And then to snatch up my nose, I'm just using what I normally use, which is my L'Oreal powder. Y'all, I'm so jittery, I can barely talk. I can't even function. I will never drink that much coffee again. And moving on to highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here by Laura Geller. And I'm just going to put a little on my nose and just a little in this area. Oops, I almost forgot blush. So I'm just using this really pretty one. It's super natural. This is the NYX Sweet Cheeks. This is the matte one in the shade Summer Breeze. And I'm just going to put it right in between the highlighter and the bronzer. So my face is pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. So y'all, lately I have just been wanting some super natural makeup, nothing too crazy. So I'm just going in with a wing liner. This is just the Maybelline Hyper Easy Liner. It's super easy to use and it's perfect if you are a beginner. I can't believe I just did wing liner, y'all, and I'm already feeling jittery. What is going on? So for my lashes, I'm just using these lashes from AliExpress. These are just the A10 lashes. These lashes are super natural. They're literally like baby lashes, but I wanted to use them because... Why do I want to use these? Because I really don't want anything too crazy, because I'm going to go crazy with the lip. The hair is already crazy, okay? Because it's already like, you know, but it looks really good on my skin tone. But I did want to play up the lips more so than the eyes in this video. Y'all, these literally are like some baby lashes, but lately I have just been loving like some very pretty wispy lashes, and these are cute. Like, these are super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some mascara to my bottom lash line, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face off camera, and I'm also going to recurl my hair because I do have to get in the shower, all of that good stuff, put my clothes on, and then I'm coming back. But I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. So I have never tried the MAC Russian Red lipstick before. This is just their regular matte lipstick. I really don't know what to expect. I love me some Ruby Woo, but Ruby Woo is dry as hell. If you know, then you know. But this was really pretty, and I was like, you know what? Why not do a red lip? I think a red lip will be fire with this hair, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take, I'm trying to see if I want to take Matte Cherry or MAC's Night Moth to line my lips. Maybe I should just see what this looks like. Okay, so it's a bit of a deeper kind of red. And I do have some Blistex on my lip. I'm just gonna kind of leave that on there. Okay, so it's definitely a darker kind of red, which is fine. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and go in with Night Moth, which is a beautiful deep burgundy red shade, and line my lips. Oh girl, this is fire. Stop playing with me. This is fire, girl. This is so pretty. It's a little bit deeper. I feel like Ruby Woo is a brighter red. This is a more old Hollywood, deeper kind of nighttime red. But it's so beautiful, and I can already tell you, girl, it is not as dry as MAC Ruby Woo. So I'm so glad I got this. I'm gonna have to go get the bigger one, girl, but I've got so much stuff. Y'all already know I don't need. That's a whole nother conversation. Whole nother conversation, honey. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. So let me go ahead and get ready, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm getting. Okay, so now that I'm dressed, my hair is slayed and my makeup is done, I just wanted to give you guys a few details and talk a little bit about this unit. So this unit originally came in 16 inches. It is pre-plucked and it was pre-highlighted. So I did not color this wig. Only thing I did was take it out the pack, wash it as I always do all of my units, let it air dry, condition it really good, all of that good stuff. Put it on my head. I did go ahead and tint the lace. I did not bleach the lace because when you have like colors that are already like this, like the hair is pretty much already pre-highlighted, you don't want to go in with bleach. So what I normally do is I just tint the lace with a lace tint. I did that off camera, and then I also, you guys saw me do on camera because I wanted darker roots. You guys saw my last video that I did using a curly unit. It looked just like this, but it was curling. I didn't want the roots to be as bright. I wanted them to kind of be a little bit darker. I wanted that grown out dark root look. So I did go in with like a tinted spray. I think the guy was telling me barbers use it or something like that. So I just sprayed all over the perimeter of this unit and inside my part. Well, right here, y'all saw. And that's kind of gave me the darker root kind of look. It still has that ash blonde to it, but it's not as light as it originally was. I did go ahead and put a little bit of concealer in my part, and the lace is like a medium brown color, but I still just always tint my lace just to kind of get it the exact skin tone so it literally melts really, really nice. So I will say this unit is absolutely gorgeous. It is a 13x4 lace wig. The only gripe that I have is that I wish it was a little bit longer, the ear tabs, because it didn't quite go to ear on me, which is no problem because I normally don't wear my units like out of my face. I pretty much always wear my hair down anyway, but that would be the only gripe that I would have. Other than that, it's super beautiful. The hair is super soft. Oh, and I did decide to go ahead and cut a few inches off of this wig because I feel like with the 16 inches when I curled it, it wasn't as thick as I wanted to be or as full as I wanted to be with the full 16 inches. So I'm guessing this is more like a 150% density. So if I wanted to keep it at the full length, I would have needed like a 180 density. So that's why I decided to cut it. But I'm so glad that I did decide to cut it because I just feel like it frames my face a lot more, and it definitely gives me the look and the vibe that I was going for. I love when hair is full. I love when hair is beautiful and luscious, how it's supposed to be, honey. So this is pretty much it for this makeup and this gorgeous hair, you guys. I am loving this color. I'm so glad that I decided to go ahead and chop a few inches off of it. This is giving me old Hollywood vibes, honey. This is giving me like, girl, this is giving me like the 90s or the 80s vibes, honey. Like, I am loving this look. Like always, everything will be linked down in my description bar below. I will have the direct link to this unit, so if you would like to purchase it, make sure you check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.